John from Preppy Kitchen here. Today we're making a blood orange upside down cake. These blood oranges are so beautiful that you can't help but highlight them with a cake that exposes their inner beauty. Whenever you buy a blood orange, it's always going to be a bit of a mystery. The outside has a couple streaks or like some dusting of a rosy color, but when you cut open, that's when you see if you have like a regular orange or a beautiful pink red orange. My point is that some blood oranges almost look like regular oranges on the inside. For this cake, we're going to be thinly slicing layers of blood orange. So try and get them as thinly sliced as possible. This is the kind of job you want a really sharp knife for. You don't want to manhandle your beautiful oranges. Into my heated pan, I'm adding 1 cup of water and about 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Give it a stir just until the sugar is dissolved, and then reduce the heat to a simmer. Place your orange slices in the water and then just simmer them for like 15 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to start our batter. For the batter, we're going to need 1 cup of strained, as in not pulpy, fresh orange juice. I never, ever drink orange juice if it's not fresh because the science that goes into making it is pretty crazy. Let me know what you think a blood orange tastes like in the comments, or if you think it tastes different at all. We're going to start the batter off by sifting together the dry ingredients. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and sift. The sugar is coming in later, so don't think I forgot about that. Now we're going to beat the wet ingredients together. So starting off with 1/3 cup of butter that's at room temperature, we're going to add another 1/3 cup of sour cream. I love the moisture this gives to any batter. I'm going to zest 1 full orange. The orange zest adds so much of like an aromatic undertone to the cake. 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Give it a nice whip and then add in your eggs one at a time. Just mix until each egg is incorporated, then add the next one in. Now we're going to add in our flour mixture and alternate with the blood orange juice in like 2 to 3 batches. And now it's time for the exciting part. You're going to place your candied oranges on your buttered pan. I did 2 batches, 1 of the blood oranges and 1 of regular navel oranges for a multicolored effect, but it's totally up to you. After you've arranged all of your orange slices, you're going to pour the batter on top and fill until the pan is maybe halfway full. Your cake's going to bake for about 35 minutes at 350. This is the perfect cake to enjoy with a big scoop of ice cream or a giant dollop of whipped cream. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.